All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Any part of the world you might be watching this from. My name is Yinka. So yeah, I just want to quickly show you how you can deposit to your smart MEVBOT so that you can start earning. You understand? So once you've registered, the next thing is for you to do what we call deposit. So to do your deposit, once you've logged into your account, you click on this wallet box. This wallet box, that's where you are going to be doing your deposit. But before you start up with the deposit, there's this particular chat button, this one here. It might want to block your deposit address, so try and move it up to the middle. So look at what I'm doing. I'll just tap on it, and you drag it towards, let's say, the left hand side here, so that it won't block your address when you are copying it. You understand? So once you've done that, just go back again, click on this wallet, click on this wallet box. It will now show you deposit option. So you now click on deposits. You understand? No, sorry. You click on this deposit box. Let me change it back here so that we'll have it more easier. Okay, good. So you click on this deposit. Yeah, so I'll click on the deposit now. So once you click on deposit, the next thing is for you to click on USDT. Use USDT because it's a stable coin. It won't give you any stress. You understand? So just click on USDT. So once you click on USDT, it's going to load out the address. You understand? So you can now select any network of USDT you want to deposit with, either BP20, TRC, or Solana. But I prefer using this BP20. So once you've selected it, come to this small box here, this small green box here. You understand? You just tap on it. You understand? Just tap on it, and instantly to show you copied successfully. So once you've copied, you can then go to anywhere you want to send it from. If your USDT is on Bybit, if it's on Binance, if it's on BitGet, you can then send it here. You understand? As soon as it has been sent, you are going to now see the money. The money is going to be showing. Let me move this down. Let me cancel. So once you've sent it, the money will now be showing in your available balance right here. You understand? So once the money is there, it's showing in your available balance. The next thing is for you to now activate your contract. To activate your contract, just click on this activate now. You understand? And you activate your contract. But mind you, before you activate your contract, you also need to have bought the boat. You understand? So to buy the boat, it's $50 one time to buy the boat. But if you don't have the $50, you can just reach out to any one of our leaders. They're going to, some of them usually have some free boats, or some of them actually bought the boats in bulk, so they might just offer you one. But if you don't have, you might just need to add the extra. For example, if you want to start with $100, the boat is going to be $50, then your $100 capital. So that means you need to fund a total of $150. You understand? If you are using BP20, that means you will need to fund a total of because of the $1 fees, so you need to fund a total of $151. The same thing if you are doing $1,000, you put in, factor in the $50 for the boat, then you fund in the extra 51. So that means you need to factor in. So always make sure you work your calculations around this. You understand? So with this, you are good to go. You understand? I hope this is clear. You understand? So let me just quickly show you the activate. Okay, I can't do that right now. There's another video I will share with you that helps you to do the activation. Thank you so much. God bless.